Incorporating both a nod to the past and cutting-edge automotive technology, the 2025 Fiat 128 Spider brings back a beloved car. This modern take on the classic Fiat 128 Spider pays homage to the original from the 70s by keeping some of the iconic details while adding modern technologies and styling cues. The 128 Spider's comeback represents, for Fiat fans, the ideal union of tradition and progress, providing a car that embodies the essence of its forerunner while reaping the advantages of contemporary engineering. The aerodynamic and slender 2025 Fiat 128 Spider is a notable feature. To improve the car's performance and looks, Fiat went for a more modern and sophisticated design with sleek curves, sharp edges, and a dynamic silhouette. Its retractable soft top is a nice feature that makes it a good choice for people who want to drive in the open air. The automobile may have undergone significant updates, but it retains some retro features, such as the traditional round headlamps and front grille. The 2025 Fiat 128 Spider has some seriously upgraded performance coming out of its engine. The vehicle comes standard with a 1.6-liter inline-4 turbocharged engine from Fiat, which can produce about 180 horsepower. With its dynamic powertrain, you can enjoy both thrilling interstate rides and daily commuting in the city. You have a lot of control over this sporty roadster thanks to the choice between an automatic and a 6-speed manual transmission. The 2025 Fiat 128 Spider's interior is a synthesis of contemporary amenities with touches reminiscent of yesteryear. There are a lot of high-end touches inside, such as leather upholstery, a digital instrument cluster, and a huge infotainment touchscreen. Fiat has included modern connectivity options like wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to appeal to drivers who are tech-savvy. Despite its small size, the cabin is well designed to provide ample space and comfort for the driver and passengers. In order to ensure the safety of its customers, Fiat has installed state-of-the-art driver assistance systems in the 2025 128 Spider. For your peace of mind on the road, standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The Fiat 128 Spider is a safe and entertaining ride thanks to these features, as well as its nimble handling and quick brakes. Several personalization choices are available for the 2025 Fiat 128 Spider. To make their car unique, buyers can customize it with a wide range of exterior paint colors, interior trim options, and wheel designs. There are a lot of customization options available from Fiat, so you may have the car that suits your taste, whether it's a subtle metallic gray or a striking red. If you want to take your driving dynamics to the next level, you may upgrade with features like a sport-tuned suspension and performance brakes. Among the many ways in which the 2025 Fiat 128 Spider stands out is in its fuel economy. The car's lightweight construction and diminutive engine allow it to attain remarkable fuel economy for a sports convertible. Those who value an exciting ride without compromising fuel economy will find it to be an ideal vehicle. Because of this, the 128 Spider can satisfy a variety of driving demands, making it suitable for both daily commutes and weekend escapades.
Thanks for watching.